I'm Kara Goff, and I'll be going over the assignments that we've done throughout the semester. The first assignment that we did was biography, and we just talked a little bit about ourselves and what we wanted to learn from taking the class. The next assignment was the name tent. We put a picture of ourselves in our name so that other people in the class knew who we were. The inspiration map that we did next was involving goals and objectives. We had our goal in the middle and then put all the objectives around it. The next thing that we did was Symbaloo and Diigo, and those you use to put websites in one spot. So if you're writing a paper and you needed multiple sources, you can just put them on this website to have them all in one place. The next thing that we did was we made a travel brochure on Publisher, and you can use this for any kind of vacation spots. And then after you made a travel brochure, we made a Canva, which is pretty much just a presentation similar to PowerPoint. And then after that, we made a Google app, or mine was Google Keep, and Google Keep just helps you arrange things and keep all your notes in one spot. Then we did All About Us on Keynote, and it was a movie about us and our partner. Then after that, we made a blog on Blogger, and mine was about food, and you can use this for anything you want or use it in the future for whatever. And the RSS feeds that we use made it easier to put different websites and recipes from other websites onto my website. Then we made a COVID-19 movie, and it was about how COVID-19 has affected us. Then after that, we made a Google Sites. It's just a website, and it was super simple and easy, and you could have multiple pages and put pictures and documents on there. Then we did this assignment, and it's on Padlet, and Padlet is super easy to put all the different stuff in one spot and keep it organized, and you can personalize it by putting different backgrounds on.